Procrastination. We all do it. If you say you don't procrastinate, you're just procrastinating on procrastinating. You there. Yes, you. You too are procrastinating while watching this video. Bao, she procrastinates on going potty because Bao likes to dig. And us? We procrastinate on our videos. Remember that 6-month gap of no videos? Well, today we're going to build a machine to put a stop to our procrastination. The plan. Build a timed locker that drops its content into a shredder if you don't complete your task in time. One of the major causes of procrastination is lack of motivation. With an item of value on the line, the user will be motivated to complete their task and watch their procrastination disappear, or their item. Let's build it. For the structure of our machine, we'll be using this knotty alder. We just need to untie it first. We'll also be using this Ka board. We'll be using this latch system for our door. And we'll need a window. Hey pal, do you know where we can get a window? Oh, out here? Okay. And we need to get something for the shredder, and I know just the place to get it. We'll get the electronics all wired up. And type up some code. Now let's head back to the bathroom to test this thing out. Let's go big on this first item. Something sentimental. Like these family heirlooms. We'll just load these up in the locker and set the time. think our heirlooms are recoverable. What do you think, Bao? Next, we'll try this small vase. That was so much more destructive than we expected. And a piece of it actually got stuck in the wood up here. Let's see that again in slow motion. This will be our next victim. Wow, this thing's pretty tough. Bao, wanna put Mama's phone in the robot? Be sure to subscribe and see if this robot helps stop our procrastination. And as far as Bao's mom's phone, you'll have to stick around for a future video to see how it fares.
Honey, have you seen my phone?